Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change the shipping rates in Shopify. So first step, you want to open up your browser and then go to Shopify store and make sure to sign in with your account. Now here on your dashboard, you just need to click on the settings right here at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Now here on the settings, you just need to go here on shipping and delivery. So click on this option. And as you can see, we have general shipping rates. So you just have to click on this option here. So rates for domestic and international. And then here you will find your shipping origins, your current shop location, and your shipping zones. So for example, here we have the standard rate, which has the free shipping right here. Now, if you're going to add rate, so click on the add rate button here. So for example, this is a flight rate. So if you're going to use carrier or app to calculate rates, so click on this one, or basically click on use flat rate. Then on shipping rate here, so select custom, then custom rate name. For example, this will be a quick, for example, and then the custom delivery description. If you want tracking number provided, made to order or ships next day. So I'm going to select ships next day. And then the price will be 50 pesos, for example. And then I'm going to click on done right here at the bottom right. So there you go. We have just added the rate. So if you're going to edit or change the shipping rate here, you just have to click on the three dots beside that, and you have to click on edit rate. So as you can see here, you have to just re-enter the price, or maybe if you want to be a, for example, free shipping, right? And then you're going to click on done, and there you have it. We have the free shipping here with free delivery. So you just basically click on the three dots and click on edit rate to basically change the shipping rates on Shopify. So you can also do that here on the international. So you just need to add rate or edit rate right over here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and see you on the next video.